You might be watching this video and wondering, did she camp last night? Because I was up pretty early, getting the sunrise. No, I didn't. Storm Arwen has hit the country yesterday. Today is a lot better. It was pretty clear last night, but it was so windy. It's pretty cold now, so I can't imagine what it would have been like if I'd been out in a bivvy last night. So I chose to sleep in my own bed in my warm house. So in the end yesterday I just did boring domestic stuff, so things like, I don't know, food planning, food shopping, looking at gear online, doing a bit of video editing. Anyway, James has got the car this weekend because he's gone to see his mum. His car's off the road at the moment. That's another story. And so I thought I'd take the opportunity to have an adventure. Well, a little micro-adventure from my front door. Because obviously I don't have a car, so I'm on foot. So I thought I'd explore my local area, because so far we haven't really done a lot of exploring here. And it turns out it's pretty beautiful when you get out of the town, as you can see. Look, it's tight. Mate, there's a stone in the way. Oh, can't get through the bag. River. Ugh. I drive this way to work every morning, Monday to Friday. It usually takes me 5 minutes to get to Coughton. So it's taking me a bit longer today. I'm going to go have a look at this church that sits next to Coughton Court. Unfortunately, Coughton Court National Trust is actually shut, and there's no way of getting anywhere close apart from this. So this is a public right of way to the church, so they can't stop me taking photos from here. But there's lots of trees, so it sits just, you can see that, just beyond them trees. Hidden. A sneaky suspicion that used to be the footpath. Now this is the footpath, which is not a footpath, it's just undulating crap that tractors have made. "21 days and 2 years. Fucking Warwickshire County Council, sort your shit out. Just bumped into a couple of locals who clearly live around here because they wanted to know what I was up to and why I was filming on their land. Well, not on their land, I'm on the public right of way, but it goes through their land. So they were checking up on me. But I did get the down low on the broken footbridge. Turns out some lads had gone down there and basically stomped it into oblivion, and the council shut it for obvious reasons way before COVID, and then they've done nothing about it. So I have to take a different route, which is not the route I wanted because it means I'm going to be on more road walking, but you know, I can't go that way. Not the way I want anyway, so must adapt, find a different way. Please do not feed the horses. These guys followed me. There's lots of mud. Just about saw it.